Because number one, me two jawbone them weak. You understand? And me don't have no elastic in my throat hole. So me nah make nobody come put nothing down in my throat hole. Because down in my throat hole nah no muscle. It nah no gravity. You understand? And when me no want when me go up and I come down, so I go up and I come down, so muscle contract take me na my neck back. Me not doing it. Me no want, me not do it. Me no want no merit. You understand? Me go and lay them on my back like when they lick cockroach. Because me not doing them suspicious activity there with me throat hole. So brother B can't satisfy with the cockroach style. Him go on because me's not going to do no style, no unusual and no suspicious activity with my throat hole. Church out my throat hole and then you go left me with my church out throat hole and catch up jawbone. No, me love. Jawbone weak. I no muscle in my jawbone. Because number one, me two jawbone them weak. You understand? And me don't have no elastic in my throat hole. So me nah make nobody come put nothing down in my throat hole. Because down in my throat hole nah no muscle. It nah no gravity. You understand? And when me no want when me go up and I come down, so I go up and I come down, so muscle contract take me na my neck back. Me not doing it. Me no want, me not do it. Me no want no merit. You understand? Me go and lay them on my back like when they lick cockroach. Because me not doing them suspicious activity there with me throat hole. So brother B can't satisfy with the cockroach style. Him go on because me's not going to do no style, no unusual and no suspicious activity with my throat hole. Church out my throat hole and then you go left me with my church out throat hole and catch up jawbone. No, me love. Jawbone weak. And no muscle in my jawbone.